request Professor Silana.
November this all was inaugurated. More than 1 month now. It seems the celebrations are still going on because one day or the other, in sometimes on a particular day, from many different quarters, I get phone calls talking about that function, talking about our remembering of Deshpande, and also talking about other things. So, in a way, the celebrations will go on, and it's very befitting that first farewell party for in this auditorium is being held for the commentator. Why I say it is good, different people would attribute different reasons for it. Some of you call her Manas Kanya of Deshpande. Sometimes may be taken in a negative sense that in English if we translate, we'll say she was a favorite of Dr. Deshpande. I would say she was favorite of everyone with whom she has worked. And if that is the case, then it does not lead to favoritism. It speaks about her honesty, it speaks about her expertise, it speaks about her conviction. And all of us are aware of it, that she deserved much more than what she got from all of us. There are many good qualities which many of you have narrated, but one quality which I would say, which may offend majority here, but someone needs to say it. When the association was formed, there were very few who decided that they would not be part of the association. Deepa Madam was one of them. To fight against a majority, it requires guts. It requires someone who can take a stand. And she and her group belong to that. And we admire that quality. Madam, I know that it is not easy to stand apart from a group where people say that we are not part of it. At the same time, I would say that the association here is very good. Association, even if they did not join the association did not take them as if they are not part of the association. So that goes to the credit of association. And that is a good culture which we have in the institute. So when we say it's a small, sweet institute, it's like a family, in true sense it's like a family. And when we say it's like a family, the family members who are here, I remember them distinctly. Pinu I remember distinctly. Khushi, I have seen her as a, I think, small baby. And I learned that she is now training to be a good choreographer, good cinematographer. So Sunny, I think I am meeting for the first time. So it was very nice to see all of you here together. I have, on personal note, learned many things from Deepa Madam. We learned. When I joined, it was 1987. I did not belong to that old group of faculty. But I was also, in terms of doing the work, shuffling checking, Hindi, English checking, and when she moved to HSS, many things from HSS we learned. And till today, we use her expertise. In fact, many of you might not be knowing that as CR2, which was earlier, in fact, we have been responsible for breaking that myth that all the members of CR2 need to be Maharashtrians or need to know Marathi well. Which is not true, but yes, some part of it we need to know Marathi. So wherever we could not understand, not only for Marathi but for other things also, she was our actually consultant for going through the advertisement. All Marathi advertisements she used to go through and give us very valuable inputs. So in fact, when she met me around 4:30 today, I shared with her that we are losing an extended hand of CR2. And we will always miss her. She stays very close by. She also shared with me that she has decided that from tomorrow onwards, which also happens to be her birthday, and it's a coincidence that we say goodbye to a old year and say welcome to the new year. Symbolically, she is also saying goodbye to IBPS and new inning she would be starting. So she said in the new inning, one resolution she has, no taking money, no giving money. So whatever work she will be doing would be voluntary work. And she also has a support. She has supported her family well, and I know her family, and she was particularly mentioning about Mr. Kulkarni, and Mr. Kulkarni and Vinu and Kushi, they support her, and they make a good, happy family. And we will continue meeting. We will, our retirement from IBPS does not mean that our, those retire. And wish you all the best. And it is an honor that the first farewell party of any employee is happening in Dr. S. Deshpande Memorial College.
Professor Chilwan's statement has been proved by Association today by giving a bouquet of flowers to Madam Deepa, even if she is not a member of the association.
My tribute to Dr. Deshpande, Professor Himayat, and Professor Dave. ये त्रिमूर्ति ने हमें IBPS एक फैमिली है और उसके फैमिली वैल्यूज भी सिखा दी। उनका हम लोगों पे बहुत सारा भरोसा था, विश्वास था। ये तीनों से मेरा कोई भी ऐसा रिलेशन जो लौकिक तरह से बोलते हैं वैसा कोई भी नहीं था, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे उनका अपना माना था। ये त्रिमूर्ति ने हमें जो फैमिली IBPS फैमिली वैल्यूज जो सिखा दिए हैं, वो उनके बाद यहाँ डायस पे बैठे सीनियर प्रोफेसर अभी निभा रहे हैं। जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनकी जगह डॉक्टर कोना, डॉक्टर दास, प्रोफेसर सामंत, प्रोफेसर चिनाना उन्होंने ले ली है। मुझे याद है मेरी बेटी की शादी के समय मैं क्रेडिट सोसाइटी से, क्योंकि हमारा तभी सैलरी इतनी बिल्कुल नहीं थी, ना ही ये प्रोफेसर्स की भी इतनी कम थी, तो क्रेडिट सोसाइटी से लोन में ले रही थी। उस टाइम हम सबकी सैलरी बहुत ही कम थी, तो ये करना ही पड़ता था। बातों बातों में प्रोफेसर चिनाना को पता था। चिनाना सर उन्होंने पूछा कि बातों बातों में काम करते समय कि इंटरेस्ट रेट क्या है, और वो बिना कुछ कहे, बिना कुछ बोले उन्होंने एक फैट अमाउंट चेक मुझे दे दिया। ये सब फैमिली वैल्यू ही है ना। वैसे ही मेरा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज था, सबको पता है।